David's Creek, the catfish and nibbling. Oh, Yeller's right beside me, there's something he's sniffing. Bob White's whistling, there's something in the air out here. I grew up like my daddy did, stomping these woods and living off the land. It's all I know, yeah, it's what I love. It's in my blood, my heart and soul. These woods, those fields, they are my home. I wouldn't trade all your concrete for my mud. That's what I love. It's in the blood. I wouldn't trade all your concrete for my mud. It's in the blood.
Got one. Got one.
I got it.
I just threw him up there.
And the movie star tail shoots one.
Good shot. There you go.
Good shot.
Yep.
Good shot. Oh, nailed him, buddy. That's a big one, too.
Hey, bud, we get him for you. Hold on. Oh, my bull. Hold on.
There you go.
In the bucket.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a big head there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Let me see. Yep, sure is. That's a big head.
Hell yeah. Push your tip. No, that's a silver.
Is it silver?
Yep.
Did you shoot him out there too?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, big head. I only shot it 2 out of the air.
There you go. I'm working on it, Tim. everything. We are not racers. You do. That's a trophy. There you go, don't turn around real quick. Hold on, we're getting pictures of that.
Yeah, I gotta get some pictures,
Turn around real
Tanner.
quick.
Yeah, let me get a picture of it too. Hold on. There's a trophy.
I got that one.
Oh yeah, he got him.
That man.
Come right in front of me, Tim. Wheelback.
What? Wheelback there.
Nice one. Dakota strikes.
Come on, man. Pointing out minnows over here. Shoot it. Won't have to. Won't have to. What? Really big. Where you at, Zach? I didn't even see it. Oh, man. I'm bigger than that. Oh, freaking. Yeah, stick fish. That's a stick. That's what you call. That's right. I bet. There you go. Oh, no, that one. Okay. You shoot at him. I'll shoot that shit out of him.
Tim, how many times you fell off this boat?
Off this one? No.
Yeah.
Knock on wood. I fell in once this year already, but it wasn't off this boat.
I could see where a guy would.
I went off at 3 o'clock in the morning. Whew. Oh, it's
Why I always drink water.
right here, you know what I mean? There's one Dakota? Where?
Right there. Oh, I think you got him. Oh,
No.
I would have swore you got that one.
Dakota.
Now, Tanner, you know you can't let him outdo you.
You men have tried.
There's a tournament we won by shooting shad, and we pulled in over 90 shad.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, I think these guys won a small 20 with 4 pounds of fish.
Wow.
It was on Facebook. Somebody shot a tournament. It was a small 20. They literally shot 4 pounds or 4 pounds of fish and 20 fish. So it was like,
Man, I'm telling you.
pretty awesome.
Oh, got him.
I got you.
We double up on them?
Did you both get him?
I got you. Did you both get him?
Nope. Let me walk around here. Barely.
Get him?
Yep.
Got him.
Big one? Control your fish, son. Is he a big one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice one.
Hey, protect your dog.
You get him?
Yeah.
Right on, buddy.
Is he a big one?
Yeah, he's pretty nice.
It's pulling hard. Oh yeah, look at that. Good shot, buddy.
On Bullets Creek, the catfish and nibbling. Oh, Yeller's right beside me, there's something he's sniffing. A Bob White's whistling, there's something in the air out here. I grew up like my daddy did, stomping these woods and living off the land. It's all I know, yeah, it's what I love. It's in my blood.